In the previous video, we saw how we work with the number data type, for example, int, float, or complex. In this video, let's see how we work with or deal with the string data types. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a comment, work with string data type. So if I declare a variable called first name Adil, or let's say Naruto, then if I print that, so if I write here print first name and run the code, you can see the output Naruto. And again, if I write the print function, and here if I call the type function and pass the first name here, and if I run the code, you can see the data type is string. The short form is str. So there are many things we can do with string data type, or there is a concept called concatenation. So let's understand that. Here if I write print, and in between double quotations if I write my name is, then after the quotation if I write plus, and then if I write first name, then what it will do is it will put Naruto here. So what it will print, let's see. If I run the code, you can see it is printing my name is Naruto, but is and Naruto is attached to one another. So what we can do is we can give a space here, and if I run the code, you can see the output, which is my name is Naruto. Then we can declare another variable which is last name, and that would be Uzumaki. And again, after writing first name, if I write a plus and write last name, and if I run the code, you can see my name is Naruto Uzumaki. But here is a problem. You can see Naruto Uzumaki is attached to one another. So how to give a space here? Even if we add space here and run the code, the output is still same. They are attached to each other. So how to solve that? You can say that we can add a space here after Naruto, and if I run the code again, then it fixes, but it is not the right way, because here also it added a space. You can see here it is a blank space, but we don't want the space there. We just want the space here in between first name and last name. So to solve that, we can remove that space from there, and after the plus we can give another plus, and here in between singular double quotation we can give a space. Now this space will be added here. So if I run the code now, you can see it prints my name is Naruto Uzumaki correctly.